In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a GitHub repository link by copying the repository link directly from GitHub. This is an essential skill, whether you're collaborating with teammates, sharing your project with others, or simply need to provide someone with access to your code. Let's walk through the process, step by step, to ensure you feel confident doing it yourself. First, you'll want to start by heading to the GitHub website. Open your preferred web browser and go to github.com. If you haven't already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your GitHub credentials. Once you're signed in, navigate to your repositories by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner, then selecting your repositories from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a list of repositories you own or have contributed to. Now, select the repository you want to share. Simply click on the name of the repository to open its main page. Here, you'll find details about the project, including the code files, README, branches, and more. Make sure you are in the main view of the repository. This is where you'll find the link you need. Look to the top right area of the repository's page. You'll see a green button labeled Code. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see several options for cloning or downloading the repository, such as HTTPS, SSH, and GitHub CLI. For most purposes, if you're simply sharing the repository link with others, you'll want to copy the HTTPS link. This link works for people who just want to view the code or clone it to their own machines, and it doesn't require any special setup. Right next to the HTTPS link, you'll notice a small clipboard icon. All you need to do is click this icon, and the link will automatically be copied to your clipboard. It's that simple. You can now paste this link wherever you want, into an email, a chat message, or even a document, making it easy for others to view or clone your project. If you want to give someone direct access for collaboration, you might need to adjust the repository's visibility or permissions. Public repositories can be accessed by anyone with the link, while private repositories require you to invite specific collaborators. Just keep this in mind when you're sharing, to ensure your project remains as open or as secure as you want. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily share your GitHub repository link with anyone. With a few simple clicks, your project is ready to be viewed, cloned, or collaborated on, all thanks to sharing its repository link directly from GitHub. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks with GitHub.